Kim and this is going to be my first YouTube tutorial on a flawless base. So me and Megan today are going to show you a few tips, tricks, and start with Hydra Genius by L'Oreal. It's a moisturiser, and I'm just going to apply that with just an Amazon Dew of a Real Technique stippling brush, just nice and cheap. You're going to do that out, right? Yeah. And then going to take Too Faced Hangover Primer. It's nice and hydrating. Right, I'm not even sure how to say this. It's Noid, not Neo. It's a photography fluid anyway, and it's lovely. It makes you all nice and glowy, and it's in 12%. You can get other percents as well. Right, now all those steps are prepped and your face is all nice. It's going to glow. Yes, it is. I'm going to mix up some foundations. So first it's going to be Born This Way by Too Faced in the shade Sand. And I apply this with a Peaches and Cream PC26 brush. Nice and fluffy. And going in with NARS Natural Radiant Longwear in Mont Blanc. This is because this foundation is slightly darker than her neck, so makes it all blend. Make sure that's blended in. Now, Morphe Beauty Sponge favourite sponge, already damp, and just pat that over face, making sure it's all nice and blended. I'll blend in any lines that the brush is made of there. Get some Peach Perfect powder. It's Too Faced and it's just a Morphe brush. It's got no number on, so but nice big fluffy brush, and just dust it all over the face. This just sets all your foundation, makes it look all flawless in your pores as well. For contouring, we're going to use Huda Beauty in Nugget. It's the Overachiever Concealer. And for the contouring, Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in shade Toffee. The Overachiever Concealer is very full coverage and it's a little bit goes a long way, so try not to overuse. And bring that right up to the inside of the nose and under the eye. Also used a Zoeva 144 soft concealer brush to apply that. Same with the Born This Way concealer, goes a long way, so just a little bit. Now to blend these in, you're going to need a few different tools. I use the Morphe again, then I use a Peaches and Cream PC18 brush, and then this is actually for the eyes. It's a deluxe crease brush, but it's really, really good. It's by Real Technique, just for getting in these little areas, making sure it's all blend it in. So I'll start with under the eye. Right, depending on how you like your contour, some people like it just like that, some people like it really chiselled. So if you do like it chiselled, what I like to do is go back in with the Zoeva Soft Concealer and the Overachiever, not too much of this though, and literally just pull that right round. Then back in some more feet and just pat it over. Right. And that's the cream contour done. I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty Easy Bakes, and I've got shade Banana Bread and shade Knufa, and I'm just going to use a Real Techniques. It's a contour brush, but it's really good for applying this. So I'll show that for this. Use the Banana Bread, the lighter shade. Put for me, just underneath the eye. Just open my nose again. This one's slightly more yellow toned. I'll just use this under the cheekbone. You'll find if you use the light one under the cheekbone as well as under the eye, it can look a little bit washed out. Personal preference. Now we're going to go in with some highlight, using a Peaches and Cream again brush. It's the PC17, and my favourite highlight, it's Doll Beauty, and this one's Pretty Little Glow. It's amazing, it's rose gold, and as you can tell, hit pan. So first I'm going to spray her face though with some setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter. This makes the highlighter really pop and stick. Ready? So a few spritz of that, then plenty on your brush, and do up and over that, and just start on the high cheekbone, bringing it round. Again, personal preference for how glowy you want to end up. How glowy do you like to be, Nina?
Absolutely glowy.
Yes. Glowing to the gods. Dripping. And the same. Just highlight all those areas. Some people like to just do the nose, leave this matte. Some people like to look like they've headbutted the highlighter.
Not me.
Yeah. So it says personal preference, what you go with this. Subtle glow, blending. It's like I was shining violet all around the table I was shopping. Mineralised Skin Finish MAC in Give Me Sun. Absolutely love this one, it's my favourite. Not too orange toned, just nice. Either this one or dark tan. Just not too heavy. Also, forgot, it's the Spectrum A05 brush, favourite. I've got about 15. Don't moult when it's washed, nothing, it's lovely. Going in with MAC, and it's Pincho Peach blush. It's not peach though at all, it's really pink. It's quite nice for a dolly look if you like the dolly cheek, just that pink glow. With Real Techniques, it's a 400 blush brush, really big, fluffy. And that's your final one. And then going in with All Nighter again, Urban Decay setting spray. Go guys, ready? Actually, our clients have this on, and then the makeup's lasted like 36 to 48 hours. Like, it is literally all night long.
Wow, that's amazing.
But there you go, that is your finished flawless base. Now we'll add some lips.
Hiya, this is Megan, not Kim. I hope you found lots and lots of good tips from Kim's tutorial on the flawless base. I know I absolutely loved it, and she performs magic tricks. She's amazing. If you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to Kim's channel and keep watching. We've got so much coming up and we're so excited. Bye.